Hi there, in this video you will learn how to assemble the stackable Hatun by Comfur. Let's begin. First, you must screw the cam lock screws to the piece A, which would be the bottom of the Hatun. Then bring in piece B and be sure that all arrows are pointing outwards to fit in the shoulder bolts from piece A. Fit piece A into piece B, applying pressure. You may have to press the pieces together for them to fit. Then bring in piece C, and after aligning the arrows outwards, join it to piece A, just like you did before. Don't forget to adjust the cam lock screws. Now adjust the cam lock screws to piece D, which would be the top part of the Hatun. Now get ready to join piece D to what you have assembled. But before, bring in piece E and slide it into the Hatun. You can now go ahead and join piece D as you did with the bottom. You may have to press the pieces together for them to fit. Don't forget to adjust the cam lock screws. Now let's start with the assembly of the drawer. First, screw the cam lock screws to piece A1. This process is very similar to what you did before. Bring in the side pieces and join them to piece A1. Be sure to align the grooves, joint dowels, and to get the slider pointing outwards. Don't forget to adjust the cam lock screws and press them in if needed. Bring piece A4 and slide it into the grooves. Be sure both holes are pointing outwards. You may have to press the pieces together for them to fit. Now bring in piece A5 and screw it between the sides. Finally, screw the bottom in, make sure that the sides, bottom, and back sides are all leveled up. Now, fit the drawer into Hatun, as shown here. Be sure both sides align to the sliders. Push it in, applying pressure until it hits the back. Once it does, pull and push them multiple times to lube the sliders. Congratulations, you did it! Time to enjoy your Hatun.